All right, so for this lab, I have a beaker with a funnel and a coffee filter in that funnel. And then I've got a sample of some sand that I'm going to pour into our funnel, into that coffee filter. And then I have measured with a graduated cylinder 50 milliliters of water. I'm gonna go ahead and pour that into the sand, being careful not to let the water kind of come over the top of the coffee filter. And then we're gonna let it drain out of our sand, out of the coffee filter, and take a look at what we are left with. Just raising it up to get the last couple of drops out. All right, and then here is our water for trial 1. You can make your observations on what you see, what you notice about this water. Probably the best angle there. And then we're gonna repeat this process. I have another 50 milliliters of water. We'll go ahead and pour into that same sample of sand. It is not a new one. And again, we will let the water drain through. This one will probably take a moment or two longer since more of it will actually get to drain through since it was dry sand to start and some of it kind of gets absorbed in our sand. All right, only a couple dribbles left. So now we will look at our water sample again. This is for trial number 2. You can record your observations. All right, another trial here, another 50 milliliters of water. Same process, we will pour that in and let it drain through. And you can look at the water and record your observations for trial number 3. All right, we have more water, pouring it through our sand and letting it drain. And here is our sample. You can record your observations for trial number 4. All right, and now we have again 50 milliliters of water. Letting that drain through our same sample of sand we've been using this whole time. All right, looks like that is mostly out. And then here is the water, and you can make your observations for sample number 5. All right, and that is it for the lab. You can go ahead and answer your analysis questions.